In this support video, I will run through quite an important topic, which is our links to learning feature. Now, the links to learning step is found in step 6 of the edit test question process. And that is, of course, found under draft content and draft questions. So it is step 6 of the edit test question process. Through links to learning, you can link modular training material to your KnowledgeSmart questions. The key here is to map the learning content to the training tags. An administrator would typically come over here to step 4 of the edit test question process and have a look at the training tags listed for this particular question. That will then guide them in terms of what training material can then be linked to this question. Links to learning material can include in-house training notes, PDF help sheets, videos, SharePoint pages, or alternatively, even training material from a third party. Here is an example of that in this specific assessment mapped to global e-training material. So in this case, if we have a look at the example, it is just a link that takes them to the appropriate content within the global e-training platform. Because we also give you the option to edit the HTML source of these learning links, there is quite an exciting opportunity here to even embed some video content into this part of the platform. So let me show you what the typical workflow would look like. So for this specific type of question, which is about assigning access within BIM 360, I have now found this video that's appropriate to map to that question. It is around the same topic, so I'm in YouTube and I have found my video and I come here to share at the bottom of the video. And I will click this first icon, which is embed, and I will highlight this iframe to iframe code shown here on the right hand side. Copy that code and then head back to the KnowledgeSmart platform, and under links to learning I would then head over here to the HTML area and I would paste that iframe to iframe code there and just click update. So if I then go to preview, I would see that not only does that previous link show up there, but this new video that I have found is now embedded for the user. And what this means is that when they receive their assessment report, they will be prompted to go and watch this relevant video, training video content based on the skill gap that they have shown.